Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mamelodi Sundowns. Congratulations are in order to Suprise Ralani, as he is expected to become a Mamelodi Sundowns player when the transfer window opens next month. The Cape Town City attacker is understood to have agreed terms with the reigning DStv Premiership champions, with a fee paid to the Mother City outfit for the move to go through. Indications are that Ralani, despite being 34 years old, will play a crucial role at Sundowns and offer them an added advantage with his experience in second half of the champion. Sundowns are now firm favourites to clinch the league title for a 5th consecutive season and strengthen their tight grip on the trophy following Friday nights, where they smashed Orlando Pirates with 4-1 and are enjoying 18 points lead at the summit with just 17 games played. The source at the City Privy said, yes, this deal has been kept under wraps for a while, but Suprise Ralani is joining Mamelodi Sundowns in January, and City are already looking for a replacement to cover them when the window opens. Soccer Laduma has been informed that the two clubs will only likely make the announcement in January when the registration window reopens. Rulani Mukwena, the coach of Sundowns, hinted that the club had made a massive signing and that they will only unveil when the time is right. Well, how do you feel about this deal, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye, good people.